Shanghai Flyhorse Industrial Company has a mind which perceives both past and future. With years of hard work and innovation, it responds to market demands in a timely manner and owns Shantou Beaumar Processing Complex Company Limited. It adheres to quality and high-tech technology as the center and strives for perfection in its daily operation. In addition, it never stops improving the quality of its products, thus providing high-quality services beyond customer satisfaction. Founded in Shanghai, which is China Financial Center in 2001, Flyhorse Industrial Company is also a member of China Gift Chamber of Commerce. Since its establishment, the company has firmly believed in brand power, gone with the flow of the times and fully grasped various opportunities. Going through years of unremitting efforts, the company has communicated and cooperated with many of the world's top 500 companies, includes Walmart, Herbalife, Estee Lauder, ABB, L'Oreal, Avon, Volkswagen Group, China Southern Airlines, etc. Establishing a good reputation and exerting extraordinary influences in the industry. Thanks to more than 25,000 square meters of production plant, advanced manufacturing and quality inspection system, perfect technical crafts, world-leading management system, and professional production equipment, Flyhorse has the ability to continuously provide high-quality products to both domestic and customers all over the world. Relying on these advantages and mature production lines accumulated for years, our company has achieved the professionalism, specificity, and focus in every step of mask production, from machine slicing out, nose strip sticking, ear strip processing, edge sealing, code spurting, goods inspection, disinfection, to final packaging. Thereupon then, the customers are provided with qualified products from Flyhorse. To be a conscientious enterprise is the unremitting pursuit of Flyhorse Industrial. During the worldwide outbreak of COVID-19, Flyhorse Industrial responded to the call of the nation without any delay, gave full play to its brand and resource advantages, vacated 2 workshops in our plant base, and introduced relevant mask production equipment. Our professional mask production workshop has won full of praises from customers around the world. Flyhorse Industrial Company is committed to achieving a win-win future and leading similar enterprises to occupy the global market.